Story 13. An Indian who was learning how to throw naphtha was thus reproved by a sage. This is not a play for thee whose house is made of reeds. Speak not unless thou knowest it is perfectly proper, and acts not if thou knowest will not elicit a good reply. And certainly there's some things that a person should avoid, right? Basically those in glass houses shouldn't throw stones, but yeah, we have our weaknesses, and so just don't go attacking people. Self-defense is certainly a noble thing. Defense of the innocent is certainly a noble thing, but not I am preparing to go off and fight, just because you can, whether your weapon is superior or not.